So I just put this one together. That one. I had to take this one loose. This one loose from there. This was right here, which I took loose. And now all of this through there. I'm gonna have to take these and turn them that way. This one turn it that way. Yes, that connected piece. It's gonna go on this guy here. I'm gonna have to pull it out a little bit more like that. And then put the lip properly on there and glue it together. That's enough to fit inside of that. To where it'll stay. And you see it, it's sloped all the way down so that it'll be able to drain. So now I just gotta take these guys, cut them maybe from here, and cut them from there. Put some shark bites on there, and some pecks, and travel with this guy through here, and now do that and do that, and put some tips on there. It'll come around like that.